Hello everyone and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to make a Game Pass in Roblox Mobile. To start, open roblox.com in your internet browser, then click on Create. Over at Roblox Studio, it is available on Mac and PC. In here, I'll be reading a step-by-step process. On step 1, open the browser and go to Roblox official page. Step 2, log into your account. Step 3, click on Create option on the top. And then on 4, under My Creations, click on your game's name beside Start Place. Then on step number 5, select Store and click on Add Pass. On step 6, choose the image and a name for your Game Pass and click on Preview. Then on step 7, click on Verify Upload to create your Game Pass. You can now view your Game Pass under Passes. Then on step number 8, click on the gear icon and select Configure. On step 9, click on Sales. And then on step 10, enable item for sale. Decide the Robux amount inside the price section and click on Save. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.